Hello, my name is Dragoș and I am the owner of updas.com, and in this video I will like to do some performance tests for Elementor, an WordPress page builder that has a lot of great features with which you can build a page fast and look very nice. It is a page builder that is used by over 2 million websites out there. There are a lot of resources for it, and in this video we'll test and see how a website built with Elementor loads in comparison with a website that it has a simple theme installed on it. For the test website I have configured it here. This is the home page of the website. It is looking like this. It is having in the lower section some coupon codes. It's having some latest posts in this area. Here it has some buttons with the social sharing for the account. It has about me section. Here it has some video with one call to action button. It is similar with what I already have built on updas.com, but is looking more nicer. And on this website I have only used Gutenberg with two blocks plugins. The website it is hosting on SiteGround, and it is using the latest hosting package GoGeek1 from them. So for the plugins, I have chosen these plugins. Let's go into the background and see. So let's go to plugins. So on this test site I have installed the following plugins. So affiliate coupons is a plugin that it is allowing coupon to be added. Convert Pro, it's a lead generation plugin for generating pop-ups and call to action forms. Elementor, the free version. Elementor Pro, that it's adding the extra option. Sassy Social Share, it's a sharing button for posts. Thirsty Affiliate, where I have my affiliate links. Ultimate add-ons for Elementor. This is another great add-on that it's having a lot of nice Elementor add-ons to enhance Elementor even more. UP Rocket, this is a caching plugin that I have installed and configured on this site. It is the best one when it comes to caching plugins for WordPress. And Yoast SEO, the SEO plugin. So these are the plugins that I have used on this site to build this site. And in these sites I've created, as I've shown you, the home page that is looking similar with what I have on UPDAS. This one it's slightly different. I think maybe it's more nicer. And I have added also some posts. This is a post that is not using Elementor. It's just a simple post with an image and some text, and with the sidebar. And I have also created a post with Elementor where I have added the same an image, and I've created a flip box here just to add some extra element, nice one in the post. Next we're gonna test these sites and see how they are doing. The post that has Elementor and the one that doesn't have Elementor. I already done the test. So if you were to check the the site with Elementor, the home page, you will see that it is having a 2.4 seconds load time. It is from the same continent where I have the hosting in USA, and the total page size it is under 2 megabytes, and it is using 33 requests for this. I have not optimized the images, only configured the UP Rocket plugin and didn't do anything else. You can increase the performance if you like with additional help, but for these tests I wanted to have only this. If we check the waterfall, this is a graph with all the resources that are loaded by the page. Here you will see the 33 requests that are done. This is just to load the home page, that it has the elements on it, and yeah, it is looking like this. Now if we move to the updos.com site, this is it, that it is only using Gutenberg. For this test I didn't also optimize the images, just use the caching plugin as it is. You see that it's loading a lot faster. It is loaded in 0 to 9 seconds, so it is under 1 second. It is using the same data center, the USA one. The server is also in USA. The page size is a little smaller, and there are only 27 requests. If you check the waterfall here, you'll see the resources. They are loaded faster by GTmetrix. So next I have tested the post that it is not having any Elementor on it. It's just the post that I've shown you with the image and the text and the sidebar. It is from the same USA data center. The post is under half a megabyte. It is only having 9 requests, so it is loading very fast. If we check the waterfall, you will see here that there is no Elementor scripts that are loading. Only the default posts, the default informations. Now if we check a post that it is using Elementor, is this one. This one is also loading quite fast. It's a little bigger because it's loading also some Elementor stuff. So if you check the waterfall in this, you'll see that that it's loading some Elementor stuff from Font Awesome here, and the caching plugin stuff in this area. I think it is merged some Elementor also in this one because it's minifying everything, the CSS and the JS scripts and so on. So with Elementor you have an increase in the load time for your page, but is not that high if you don't heavily customize your blog post with it. From my point of view, it's important to choose a good theme, a fast theme, that you use it in the same time with Elementor, and you use Elementor only for pages that need some customizations and some nicer elements. If you install Elementor, if you don't use it on the pages, it will not load the resources. So this is a good thing that even if it is installed, it will It will not use the resources. It will not load the resources if you don't use it. So if you like the Elementor page builder, then you can install it and use it on a couple of pages that needs it. So this is the Elementor performance review. Hope you like it, and if you want to see future videos related to WordPress, please don't forget to subscribe.